everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Swiss Meringue Buttercream frosting, and I will be showing you step by step on how to do that. So let's get started. So I'm only making half as much as the recipe calls, so I kind of modified like the measurements. Right now I have 2 large egg whites in this mixing bowl, and I'm going to add a half cup of granulated sugar. Just drop that in there. And then you're going to want to mix both of these together over simmering water. Make sure that your bowl is touching the water, and then you just want to mix this by hand, making sure the egg isn't being cooked until you want to mix it until the sugar has completely dissolved in the egg whites. And you can check by running your fingers through it and making sure that it's nice and smooth and you don't feel the granules anymore. So once the sugar has dissolved completely, you want to remove it. And since I'm only going to be making half as much as what your normal recipe calls for, I will be using a hand mixer. So when the bottom of the bowl has cooled completely and it's nice and fluffy, like kind of like a marshmallowy consistency with soft peaks, you just want to slowly add your butter that you left sitting out at room temperature, tablespoon at a time, while you're mixing. For this part, I'm actually going to go ahead and use the stand mixer. So you want to turn it on medium to high speed and slowly add your butter. Now that the butter is well combined in there, I'm going to remove the whisk attachment and replace it with the paddle attachment. I think that's what you call this. This is just to smooth out the frosting and get all the air bubbles out. Now that I've whisked or used the paddle attachment for like a couple minutes, maybe even 3 minutes, see the air bubbles are gone. And you can put it into a frosting bag, or use it just like this and frost it on your cake. So that's how you make Swiss Meringue Buttercream frosting.
Oh, they want your video.
Thank you for watching.